So let us see the structure. So oxygen has 6 valence electrons, 2 are used in bonding, so 2 lone pairs. Same here, 2 lone pairs. Both compounds are, what is the hybridization? 2 sigma bonds plus 2 lone pairs in both. So sp3 hybridization, 2 lone pairs. Central atom is oxygen only. Bonded atom is fluorine here, fluorine here. So I told you bond angle is inversely proportional to the electronegativity of the bonded atom. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா bonded atom வந்து fluorine, இங்கே வந்து chlorine. Which is more electronegative? Fluorine. So bond angle inversely proportional to electronegativity of bonded atom. Therefore, what happens? OF2 has less bond angle than OCl2, less than OBr2, less than OI2. இந்த மாதிரி the bond angle is inversely proportional to electronegativity of bonded atom. So OF2 has lesser bond angle than OCl2. That is the answer. What about this? Compare the bond angles of carbonyl fluoride. This compound is called carbonyl fluoride. Carbonyl chloride. Guys, please remember this carbonyl chloride name is phosgene. It is a poisonous gas. They might ask you, it's called phosgene. Then carbonyl bromide. Okay, so again, if you see, these compounds are sp3 hybrid, no, not sp3, sp2 hybridized. 3 sigma bonds are there. sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, 0 lone pairs. Central atom is carbon, and if you look at this, carbon மேல ஒரு carbonyl group double bond இருக்கு. Okay, so what are the forces in operation here? bond pair repulsion தான் எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே. So in all three, only bond pair repulsions are happening. But if you see, the same group is present in all three, so that is common. அதை நம்ம அவ்வளோவா கன்சிடர் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. Only thing which we should know is bond pair repulsions are happening here. And நம்ம முக்கியமாக நோட் பண்ண வேண்டிய ஃபேக்ட் என்ன, பாண்டட் ஆட்டம்ஸ் பாருங்கள். இங்கே வந்து ஃப்ளோரின், இங்கே குளோரின், இங்கே புரோமின். ஸோ சேம் அந்த கொஸ்டின் பார்த்தோம்ல, PF3 PCl3 PBr3, அதே ரூல் தான் இங்கேயும். பிகாஸ் OClF2 is bonded to more electronegative atom, it has minimum bond angle when compared to COCl2 and COBr2. Sorry, COF2 has less bond angle when compared to COCl2 compared to COBr2. Two reasons. First reason is the bonded atom, that is fluorine here, has the highest electronegativity when compared to chlorine and bromine. So electronegativity of the bonded atom, அது ஒரு reason. Second reason வந்து because bromine is bigger than chlorine and fluorine, the steric repulsions are more in the case of COBr2 when compared to COCl2 and COF2. So steric repulsions அதிகமாக இருக்கிறதுனால the compound will open up, so more bond angle. So second reason வந்து steric repulsions increases when size of bonded atom increases. So இந்த ரெண்டு ரூல்ஸையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வந்து carbonyl fluoride has less bond angle than carbonyl fluoride or phosgene gas, is a poisonous gas, is less than COBr2.